from FFX and I'm here with Chris at Bosch HQ where we're going to be discussing the Bosch 18V Brushless Biturbo Combi.
Okay, so now we're looking at the GSB18V150C. This is our top of the range flagship Biturbo Brushless 18V Combi with a maximum torque of 150 Newton meters of torque. As you can see at the bottom there, it's running on the ProCore 18V battery. This one's a 5.5. You have a control panel on the front here that shows you electronic angle detection settings, and also you have an ability to switch on or off the kickback control, which is important, and we'll talk about that later. It comes with a variable speed trigger and forward and reverse up here. It comes with 2-speed gearbox, giving you a maximum RPM of 2,200 RPM. It has 3 modes. You've got your screwdriving, drilling, and then your percussion hammer mode. It comes with a exceedingly large but necessary auxiliary handle. Remember, 115 Newton meters of hard torque. You're going to need this kind of handle to control this machine. Comes with a 25+2 torque setting wheel, and then finally it comes with a 13mm auto lock ROM all metal chuck. Okay, so let's have a little deeper dive into the machine itself, because as it's the flagship, there's a few features that I need to go into a little bit more detail to explain how good this tool is. As we saw on the front here, we've got a control panel. We've got the ability here to select the kickback control on or off. Now, kickback control is really important. If you're using a machine this powerful and if the drill bit was to bind, then you don't want to be on the receiving end of a kickback, which basically means the machine's going to start spinning out of control. If it detects any form of kick, there's a sensor inside the machine that detects any unwanted acceleration and will automatically switch off the tool. I'll do a quick demonstration. The machine will automatically switch off there. The LED is flashing to tell you that there's a problem, and then at the bottom here you can see that the interface is also flashing red saying a kickback system has enabled. My finger is still on the trigger. Let go and you're safe to go again. Now that has potentially saved you from a nasty injury if this machine was to kick and rotate out of control. You can, if necessary, if you request it, you can switch that feature off if you want to be doing things like large hole sawing. Remember, this machine can drill up to 150 mil in wood. And if you're using a hole saw to do that, you might want to switch off the kickback to make sure that you can do that without the system kicking in unnecessarily. But be aware, if you are going to be using that kind of application, you must use this auxiliary handle for your own safety. At the bottom, you also can see we've got this 3 settings on EAD. EAD stands for electronic angle detection. I can select 2 presets, 45 and 60 degrees, or a third setting that can be set via your smartphone. This is a connected tool. That's what the C in the name means, which means you can link this to your smartphone and you can make some modifications to the tool. One setting you can change is the angle that the machine will be detecting. If I set it here for 60 degrees and let it calibrate, you see the LED on the top here will change color depending on the angle. As you can see here, it changes to yellow when you're near and then to green when you're close or on the angle you've detected. So this is 60 degrees is what we've indicated we want, and obviously it's in all 4 axes as well. So this really helps start any drilling that you want to be doing, especially long drill or augering, at the correct angle. You can set that for, as I said, 45 or 60, but you've also got the ability to set that in your phone at a custom setting between 0 and 90 degrees. When it comes to specs, this machine, as I stated earlier, will drill 150mm in wood, it will drill 16mm in steel, and it will allow you to drill 20mm in masonry. As this is a bi-turbo machine, it works best with the ProCore 18V batteries, but if you need to, it can work on the traditional Coolpack batteries. It'll still work, you'll still be able to do your applications, but you will be lacking that maximum amount of performance you get from using a ProCore 18V battery on a bi-turbo machine.